Hi everyone, Imran here with another video. If you have ever forgotten your iPhone password and have been locked out of your device, then you know how frustrating it can be. In this video, I will show you step by step how to unlock your iPhone if you have forgotten your passcode. First, we will go over how to unlock your iPhone using iTunes. This method will require you to connect your device to a computer that has iTunes installed. We will guide you through this step-by-step process, which is fairly simple and can be done in just 10 to 15 minutes. It will reset your iPhone to factory settings, which will erase all of your data but will also remove the password lock. First of all, we need to download the stock iOS firmware IPSW file for your iPhone. The default download speed in iTunes are very slow, so I am using a third-party website called ipsw.me. The link is given in the description. Click on iPhone and it will list all iPhone models including iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 13, iPhone 12 and other older models. So here you need to select your iPhone model. I will select my own model, iPhone XS Max. Now here are all the IPSW files. The green ones are you need to download. So you need to download the latest firmware, otherwise it will not work. Here is the download link. Click on the download link and it will start downloading the IPSW file in your browser. Again, the download speed in browser are slow. So I will use IDM, a download manager. Copy the link address and launch IDM. Add URL and click on start download. Now this is 6 GB file, so depending on your download speed it can take around 20 to 30 minutes. Now once the download file is complete, I will connect my phone to PC in the recovery mode. To boot your iPhone into recovery mode, you need to press the volume up, volume down and then keep holding the power key until it boots into recovery mode. I will show you how to do it. Now connect your phone to PC, press the volume up, volume down and now keep holding the power key until you see the recovery screen on your iPhone. Now I am still holding the power key. You need to hold it for around 10 to 15 seconds. Now your iPhone is in recovery mode. You can now restore in iTunes. You will also get a notification. And now hold the shift key on your keyboard and click on restore iPhone and select the firmware file you have just downloaded. Now click on restore. Now it will start extracting the software and then flash it and verify with Apple server. So again it will take around 10 to 15 minutes, so you need to have some patience while iTunes does it for you. During this process your iPhone will restart and will reset your phone to factory settings and will erase all data. Verifying iPhone restore. Restoring iPhone firmware. Now your iPhone has been restarted to factory settings. Now you are done. Congratulations, you have successfully unlocked your iPhone and now it will not ask for passcode. You can set up as a new iPhone. And there you have it. We hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.